Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Karishma Singh, owner and director of the Skin Firm, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about skin lightening or skin brightening treatments जो हर कोई करना चाहता है. But before we go ahead, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. So let's begin. Skin lightening या brightening basically होता क्या है? So skin lightening is a treatment which is an aesthetic procedure or with the use of creams or tablets or any other method. It is used to enhance the appearance of your skin, to enhance the appearance of your skin color in general. Now there are number of ways to go about this. पहले होते हैं aesthetic procedures. So aesthetic procedures are generally done within the setup of a clinic with the help of a dermatologist or a cosmetologist. So the procedures that are generally recommended for skin lightening, brightening or detanning is basically your IV drips, chemical peeling, medifacials which are meant for skin lightening, detanning and brightening. Also lasers such as IPL lasers, yeah, photofacials, pico lasers for pigmentary disorders, etc. And the other method is microdermabrasion, which means basically exfoliating your skin and removing the upper layer to form new fresh skin cells which are non-pigmented. Now another way to go about skin lightening is if you don't want to go for any treatments, people will generally purchase creams that have anti-pigmentary effects on your skin. This is very useful when it comes to pigmentary conditions such as PIH, post-inflammatory acne, marks. It can be useful in melasma, it can be useful in hyperpigmentation, it can be useful for post-pregnancy pigmentary changes, it can be useful for scars that have left a mark. And also along with these creams there are tablets that you can purchase that has contents such as tranexamic acid, it has glutathione, vitamin C. These are ingredients that help in lightening your skin with the use of oral intake. Now what is the general ingredient which are found in these pharmacy or products such as your creams, ointments or your tablets? Number one, very commonly seen is tranexamic acid. It's one of the best ingredients that you can find, which is really useful in lightening your skin. Second is kojic acid, which is used by a lot of people and have given great results. Third, azelaic acid, again very nice. If you have post-inflammatory acne marks, it works wonders. Again, next is your vitamin C, but I truly believe vitamin C, when you apply on your skin, it definitely gives you a shine, but it has more value or much better result if you're consuming it orally. Another common ingredient that most of you have heard about is glutathione. Glutathione अगर आप फेस पे लगाते हो तो उसका कुछ यूज नहीं है. Glutathione on your skin barely works. Again, glutathione orally has a very less bioavailability, so the actual absorption that happens is very little. But yes, glutathione when given through IV or intravenous works really well. I would recommend glutathione IVs if you're just looking for plain detox, or if you want an antioxidant boost, you want a little bit of detanning effect. But yes, if you are under the impression that IV drips or these treatments can cause color change, then I would recommend you not to go for them because they might not be safe for you. Definitely, you can go for detanning and get your original skin tone back. Now, the most other safe peeling, if you want brightening and texture improvement and lightening and get rid of dark spots, scarring, is vitamin A derivative peeling, which is generally known as yellow peels. Yellow peels have given great results for pigmentary changes that happen. Again, if you ask me about safety, all of these treatments, in clinic treatments, your creams, your oral tablets, are safe. until and unless you're taking it under supervision of your doctor. They are not safe if you are pregnant, you're breastfeeding, or you have just had any chronic illness diagnosed. Before even prescribing these ointments or these medicines or these treatments, all of this has to be taken into consideration. So please try and avoid doing anything at home without consulting your doctor first. Yes, vitamin C is another safe ingredient that you can try at home. Azelaic acid, kojic acid are very safe ingredients that you can try at home. Glycolic acid, most of the people I have seen trying at home, but I would still suggest कि आप पहले एक बार अपने डॉक्टर से कंसल्ट करिए. Tablets, you like I said, you can try these very safely at home, but before that you should be able to go and consult about your history. My advice to you, if you can get these treatments, are these effective, how long do they last, are they worth the money that you're spending? Yes, they are definitely worth the money that you spend, as long as you're doing it from a proper doctor or a proper person who physician who understands your skincare, your needs, and your history. They give you long lasting results as long as you learn to maintain those results. अगर आपने कोई ट्रीटमेंट कराया है लेकिन आप उसको मेंटेन नहीं करते हैं, then as all the other things in life, nothing is permanent. All of the treatments that I have mentioned, for example, peeling, your lasers, your IV drips, your medifacials are very safe. Yes, lasers are not safe again if you're breastfeeding or you're pregnant or postpartum, or if you have any chronic illnesses, you must first consult. But other than that, all the other treatments are very safe if you have done it under supervision. I hope this information was helpful. Let me know your thoughts. Thank you so much.